Armorpoxy Crack Repair Kit. So we have parts A and part B here. I'm going to be using this to patch all the cracks and divots on the garage floor. I have the whole kit, the crack repair, and I have the primer, the base coat, and top coat. So this is going to be step one to fill in all these big, from where the partitions were built in here. This home was a model home, so of course the garage is always the office, and you can see right here where the partition was built when they had the office for the model. So there's just several little divots around from the nail pops along the edge. And there you can see some at the garage door. And then some minor cracking right here. Nothing major. So I'm going to fill all those in with the crack repair kit. To give the surface a nice smooth finish. Not that I'm that concerned about it, but some of those nail pops were pretty big. And hopefully this will be a once in a lifetime